Okay, we have a Seiki vertical milling machine, model 2VS, serial number 10160. This machine was new in 2000. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a 9x42 table with a 30 inches of X travel, is a power feed. He's running it right now. You can also see it on the 2-axis digital readout, which is a NEWALL. That's the rapid. That's the cross feed. Again, you can see on the DRO. That's a new NEWALL DRO box. It's running the head. The head is a 3 horsepower. Has an R8 spindle. He's running the feed of the quill. You have 5 inches of quill feed. It has an R8 taper. Right now there's a Jacobs drill chuck in the spindle. Nice and quiet. That's the low range or the high range? High? Low range. Yep, low gear. Back here. Okay. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.